everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Lucy. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day today, because for me this is the best day ever. I've never in the million years thought I'm gonna be sitting here doing what I'm doing now, and it's revealing my palette collaboration with Kylie Cosmetics. Look at this, Kylie X Lucy. I'm Lucy, I'm that bitch. I'm gonna tell you everything about the palette. I'm gonna do swatches, I'm gonna do makeup look, we're gonna have some fun. So if you wanna know more about my palette with Kylie Cosmetics, please keep on watching. You saw the sneak peek of the palette in intro, but before we're gonna go any further, I need to admit something. And I hope you're not gonna hate me for this. I was planning to film this video a month ago, but there were some, let's just say, technical issues. And I'm filming this right now in May, but this video is supposed to be up on April 1st, April's Fool, and that was my whole joke. Actually, it's not like official collaboration with Kylie Cosmetics. You can do this palette yourself. You can order the packaging, you can choose the shades that you're gonna have inside, and I just took it a step further and added Lucy here. And I hope you're not mad at this little joke, because this is one of my biggest dreams, to have my own cosmetic line. And I have a folder on my computer when I keep my palette ideas, my highlight ideas, and even some products that are not yet on the market. And maybe one day when I'm gonna be rich and famous, I can actually make my dreams come true. But for now, I am making my dreams come true in form of this palette. So without any further ado, let's open her up. My goal with this palette was to have one palette that I can use for whatever occasion I need. So I went with quite a lot of neutral shades that you can use for everyday look, but it can also be a base for those bold, metallic, more intense shades. So you can do very nude shades with what at the beginning. If you wanna have very natural bold, fresh, pinky look, you have the options here as well. If you are into more smoky look, you can add a little bit of black liner and this purple shade here. Or if you want to go bold, you have those greeny navy shades. And inside this palette we have 4 mattes, 2 satins and 6 metallics. And I guess it's time to swatch them all. So I'm starting with shade Jasper, and this is a matte shade. It's not white, it's very light beigey bone shade. And it's perfect to give a little bit light to your inner corner or to highlight your brow bone, and it works so much better than white shade, because even my skin tone is super pale. I find that white shade is too intense and take my makeup from interesting to drag makeup. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with a drag queen makeup, but sometimes it's not the occasion. And it goes on the skin like butter. The next shade is Vanilla on Vanilla, and again this is a matte shade, very neutral, and basic idea behind this shade was to give you a nude base, or if you want to diffuse any harsh line of any other eyeshadow, you can use this and it will blend the shades into your skin. Next we have shade Attitude, and this is third matte, and it's this powdery light baby pink. And I chose this shade because it will just give you a freshness to the eyes. So if you are tired, you can apply a little bit on your lower lash line or all over your eye, add a liner, and your eyes will look fresher, younger and well rested. And then we have a shade Romance, this nudie pink metallic shade. I like to mix Romance with Attitude and create this kind of light shimmery pinky eye. And it looks stunning with a ball lash and a little bit of wing liner. Then we have first Satin shade, this intense fuchsia love potion. And I wouldn't be myself if I didn't add an intense pink to my palette. Last but not least, in top row, we have the metallic Paris Fashion Week purple shade. And it's perfect to blend with all the pinks. If you wanna do more smoky look or just use it on its own, it's just stunning. Look how it goes on the skin like butter. And now on the bottom we have satin shade Martini Mama, and this is this rose goldy nude shade. Very pretty, very neutral. I think everyone can use it, and you can even use it as a highlight if you want. And then we have this metallic Catwalk. It's brown coppery shade, and again this is a shade for everyone. Look at this, this is so pretty and buttery. I'm literally obsessed with the quality of Kylie eyeshadows, and I feel like this shade all over your eye with a little bit of darker brown pencil and the look is done. It will take you literally 1 minute and you're gonna look stunning, honey. And here we have the last matte shade from the palette. It's this dark taupey brown shade, and it's perfect just to deepen out your crease or to do a smoky look. Look at this. This is so damn pretty. And now we are going to fun part. We have those three intense... Oh my god, my nails are matching this perfectly. So we have three metallics. First one is Island Girl, this turquoise sea inspired shade. Look at this. This is such a stunning shade, and I think this, for summer, it's a vibe. Then we have this emerald green Turks and Caicos. Look at this. This is intense, deep, true emerald shade. And I got this one because I couldn't find that kind of shade anywhere else. Look at this. Even those two looks stunning. I'm running out of fingers right now. And this royal blue, Lost Without You, it's a just perfect deep blue. The combo of those three, it can be a look. Look at this. Those are so pigmented, so buttery, and they go on the eye like a dream. You're gonna see this in a moment. We're gonna do a look. You can get this palette for $45, and I feel like for this quality, it's more than reasonable price, and you can pick and choose the shades by yourself. You can choose from mattes, satin and metallics. And if you want to create exactly the same palette, I'm gonna list all the eyeshadow names in the description box down below. $45 for this? Yes, please. But bear in mind, if you are living outside United States, you will have to pay customs, and this is a pain in the ass. If you follow me for some time, you know I'm bleaching my brows, but for this video I thought I'm gonna do a more approachable look, and I did my brows with another Kylie product, Kai Brow, and again, I'm obsessed with this. My brows never looked better. And now I'm gonna clean myself and we're gonna get close and personal and do the look. I already have a black pencil on my eyes to give me the base for this look, and I'm starting with Lost Without You, this royal navy blue shade, and I'm just packing this with a wet brush all over my lid. Next I'm taking Turks and Caicos, and I'm using this shade to blend out the blue that we applied seconds ago. And I'm taking this a little bit further to give me a little bit of the wing eye look. And now with Island Girl, I'm blending all the edges. The shadows gave me a little bit of fallout, but it's nothing that a little bit of tape couldn't handle. And this is a perfect technique if you like to do your complexion first, because you can leave the fallout without moving your foundation or concealer. And all over my lower lash line, I'm applying Love Potion. And I'm blending everything to my skin with shade Attitude. And I'm bringing more light to my inner corner with shade Jasper, and as I mentioned before, this is a perfect shade to highlight inner corners, brow bones, or to use instead of white shade. And in my outer corners with wet brush, I'm applying shade Paris Fashion Week, and I'm creating this kind of wing liner. And on my lips I'm applying Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in shade Ballerina Blackout, and I went with Fenty because I don't have any Kylie lips that will match that look. And for mascara, I'm using Fenty Beauty again for the same reason. I don't have Kylie mascara. And voila, this is the final look. My inspiration was summer, paradise, so I went for pinks, greens and blues. And as you could see, those eyeshadows are super easy to work. Nevertheless, I lost my nail in the process. Can we get a moment for this? Okay, I'm over. So overall, I'm impressed with the quality of Kylie eyeshadows and I'm ready to create a new one. And as I mentioned, it's my dream to create my own palette and it was one of the ways I could do it. But hopefully in the future, I could actually release my own palette and that would be amazing. But for now, I'm gonna stick with Kylie X Lucy, and let me know in the comments down below what you think about this palette, this color combo, and if you are planning to buy this yourself, and if so, are you planning to choose any of the shades that I put in my palette? And I think that it has. I hope you enjoyed this one. I know I did. It was super fun video to film, and please click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, show me some love, show me some support, and see you on the next one. Bye.